How to change name on Google Meet. The very first thing, you want to make sure that the application Google Meet is installed on your device. If not, you can head over to your App Store or Play Store and install it. Once it has been installed, open the app. Make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, click on this camera icon at the bottom. Tap on Create a new meeting. Click on Join Meeting. Once again, click on Join. Click on the settings icon and then click on Add Others. Right now you can see that my name is Sarah. Now go back and head over to the app Gmail. Click on your profile at the top right and then click on Manage your Google account. It will land you on this page. Head over to Personal Information. The option of name will be available to you. All you want to do is click on it. You can see that the pen icon is visible to you. Simply click on the pen icon and then remove the previous name and enter the new one. Once you have entered the new name, simply click on Save and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can change your name on Google Meet. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.